What's going on, YouTube? This Big Pencil coming at you again with a nutty. I tell you, I'm gonna share with y'all today the events that took place that's gonna haunt my nightmares for the next several years. And a lot of people won't admit when they miss. They won't admit that, oh, it was this and that and this and that. Well, I want you to tell me what you think. I shot at a nice buck this evening on the second hunt. I duck hunted this morning, so I didn't hunt there this morning. But I hunted there this afternoon, and I had a buck come to me just as pretty as you'd ever want to have a nice 10-point come to you. I couldn't have dragged him in no better if I was pulling him in on a string. In my opinion, I had a bad shell. It didn't sound right, it didn't kick right, and it didn't recock the hammer on my gun. When I went to shoot the second time, the hammer it wasn't cocked. I didn't get a click, I didn't get a boom, I didn't get nothing. But stand by, we're gonna bring you a hunt. Another pack. Walk down to where that other deer went. Well, that's it. It's a wrap for the day. I ain't been to sleep since 5:30 yesterday morning, and I am tired. I won't probably get to go to bed till 9, 10 o'clock tonight, and I'm going to get up and go duck hunting all over again in the morning. But like I said, let me know what you think about that bad situation that I just went through. Let me know what you think about it. I'd like to have your feedback. I mean, you know what I think. I think I had a bad shell. I could be wrong. I don't know, but that's just my opinion. That's what I got to tell myself anyway to help me sleep tonight, because I don't know if I'm going to be able to, watching that big old buck just lob right out of my life and into somebody else's. But hey, I'm glad for the fella who killed him. He hadn't killed a nice buck down there since he's been hunting, and he was long overdue. So I am glad he got him. It just was not meant for me to kill that deer. But this is Big Pencil, and we will be back with another one soon.